Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am getting ready to make lavender sage, and this is a new soap for me, but I have used the lavender sage from BeScented for a long time, and it's one of my best sellers for candles. It's probably top 1, 2, or 3 if I really sat down and calculated. So, and people who always bought the lavender sage are like, well, where's the soap? I'm like, well, I don't make it in the soap. Why not? Well, I've got probably 75 different scents I use for the soap, so I didn't really have a good reason. So this is my first batch, so hopefully all goes well and as planned. I already had everything kind of pre-mixed, adding my lye, and then I'll get my fragrance measured out. I decided I'm going to do this with purple, some green, a muted green, and then some activated charcoal. So it'll be 3 different colors, and I think they'll all kind of work well together. And the nice thing with this fragrance is it does end up behaving very well. I overstick blended it a little bit, so it does get a little thick, but that was kind of my fault. Usually I do a little bit more fluid batter, so I've got more time to work with, but I actually liked how the design ended up coming out. So, but again, it smells fantastic, super, super nice fragrance. I believe this is the Yankee type, so it's the lavender sage. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys listen to some music, and I'll be right back. All right, and I've kind of got everything mixed, all my colors ready to go. So just cleaning up a little bit before I put everything into the mold. Using the sapphire mold from BeScented. And you'll see the purple was pretty fluid, but the other colors kind of thickened up a little bit on me, and it's just because I kind of overstick blended and it's a smaller amount. So no big deal. I worked with it, I made it work, and I think the design came out really nice, but you can see it's pretty thick. But again, nothing that's not workable, and it wasn't the fragrance, it was just I overstick blended the smaller batches, the smaller colors that I'd portioned out, so no big deal. But again, I will be back for the cut. Alright, and bringing you guys back for the cut. I let the soap go ahead and sit in the oven for about 24 hours. And now getting ready to cut. You can see I've got a lot of soap scraps right there. I've done a lot of cutting. But again, very, very happy with how the design came out. Really liked it. So anyway, enjoy the rest of the cut, and thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you on the next video.